Hi, Bula. How are you? Good? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very great.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great. That's great.
Yeah, that's great. I slept well last night.
Good. No, any pain?
Not at all.
No pain? Good. Good, good, good.
I slept like a baby.
Good. You seeing better?
Yeah, I'm
Oh.
seeing better. It's improving, eh?
Yeah.
From yesterday to today.
Yes, good. Good.
Yeah.
So she will
Keep using those drops. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. God bless you.
God bless you
All
too.
right.
you.
Thank
Same
you.
to you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bula, 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 Bula. Hi everyone. Say hi. This is the second day that we're operating, and so I'll show you the clinic. Here is the workup area where we're taking certain measurements for patients. Yeah, we're just doing some exams here.
How was your night?
Good.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Did you have any pain?
No.
You see better?
Yeah.
You see, I- Alright, let's go this way. It's a pleasure. Very good. Alright. We're gonna...
I knew my best friend.
Alright. Look at that smile. He's smiling so big.
Very much.
You're welcome. You're...
Thank you very much.
That's great. You're welcome. Alright. Alright. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Great job. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good job, Carrie.
Don't do this. Oh my God. Don't do this.
Yeah.